In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a theme header and footer in HubSpot's CMS. This task is essential for customizing the look and functionality of your website to better match your brand's style and strategy. Whether you're new to HubSpot or an experienced user, making these modifications can greatly enhance your site's navigation and user experience. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, open HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. This might seem obvious, but it's always important to verify that you're operating under the correct permissions to make any changes to your website's theme. Once you're all set, navigate over to the trial guide section. This is your starting point, a hub where you can access all of the resources necessary for kicking off your form building process. It acts like a toolkit, providing what you need before diving deep into theme editing. Now, let's move to your website's homepage within HubSpot. From here, your first click should be on the Content tab. This will be your gateway to the different types of content and templates available for modifications. Next, select Blog, since this is where you'll be making changes specific to your blog pages. Upon reaching the blog section, opt for Settings. Under the blog header section, you'll find the controls that determine what appears at the top of your blog pages. Choosing the Pair Templates option will reveal the underlying HTML code that defines how your header looks and functions. This is where you can make specific changes. Keep in mind, editing the header's HTML is a straightforward process if you have a basic understanding of HTML. Little tweaks here and there can have significant impacts, both beneficial and detrimental, if not done correctly. Errors made here can alter how your header is displayed, so double-check your code as you go along. Similarly, your website's footer is another critical element to evaluate. The footer HTML is equally important as it ensures visitors have a consistent experience across your site. It's a key part of your site's navigation and branding. By editing the footer's HTML code, you're able to present a unified look and feel for users, fostering a seamless journey as they explore your website. And there you have it. Successfully editing both your header and footer allows you to bring your branding vision to life. Always ensure that your changes align with your overall site design and branding goals to deliver a professional and user-friendly experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide to editing a theme header and footer in HubSpot's CMS helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy editing.